Alright guys, it's been a long week and it's barely sunrise. It's around 6 o'clock and the only guy I come home I can't wait to see is him. This guy. He's looking, after every week you don't see him, he looks nicer and nicer every week. He has the same attitude as his dad. Same exact attitude. Only guy I'm looking forward to. Like that. Come on. Too cocky. It's a bad habit. Too damn cocky. Very bad habit. Very bad habit. He's all blue, no red or anything. All blue. Blue splash. A couple months from now, got me a man fighter. Very bad. Come on, guys.